Nashville to Atlanta, we slide. If it's commercial, we got it. We make it so clean, so fresh, so bright. Off and shining when we step in at night. From Nashville, Tennessee, down to the A. S.N.M clean and we handle that okay. Floors clean when the light hit right. Bathroom sanitized, tight, tight, tight. If you need that pro team on the scene, call S&M, keep your business so clean. Pull up with the crew, yeah, we suited and ready. Commercial janitorial, hands steady. Office cleaning, yeah, we dust every desk. Screens, glass doors, we don't ever have step. Floor care specialist, buff and shine. Strip and wax, make the tile look fine. Industrial cleaning, yeah, we own that too. Warehouses spotless when we roll through. Airbnb flips, quick turnaround. Daycare, semi-fun centers all around. Bowling alley, skating rings glow. When S&M finish, everybody knows. We make it so clean, so fresh, so bright. Off and shining when we step in at night. Nashville, Tennessee to Atlanta, G, yeah. S&M cleaning, yeah, we lead the way. Trash gone, floors done right. Kitchen break room, sparkling white. If you want that pro team on the scene, S&M keep your business so clean. High dust and vents and blinds. Countertops shining every time. Restroom sanitized top to floor. Water fountains fresh when we hit the door. Reliable service, contract tight. Licensing insured, we do it right. When your business need that polished glow, S&M the name you need to know. From Nashville to Atlanta, we rise above. From Nashville clean and done with love. S&M clean and service, that's the move. Professional shine with a southern groove.